Welcome back to Fitness Fusion 360. Today, we're diving into the top 5 exercises to get those perfect calves you've always dreamed of. We're talking about calves so good, even though nothing can be perfect, but Emma try to bring you close to perfection, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. It's going to be a fun ride. So buckle up. Let's do this. Alright folks, first up, we're starting with a classic standing calf raises. Now, this exercise is as simple as it sounds, but don't let that fool you. It's like the quiet kid in school who ends up being a billionaire, deceptively powerful. We're talking about building those calves up so high you'll be able to touch the sky. Okay, maybe not literally, but you get the point. Here's how you do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward. Now imagine you're trying to stand on your tippy toes to reach for that last cookie on the top shelf. You know the one, way up there where nobody else can reach it. Lift your heels off the ground, pushing up through the balls of your feet. Feel that burn? That's the good stuff, my friend. That's those calves crying out saying, hey, we're getting stronger. We're gonna be ripped. Hold it for a second at the top, then slowly lower back down. Remember, control is key here. We're not trying to break any speed records, we're trying to sculpt those calves into masterpieces. And don't even think about rocking back and forth. We're going for slow, controlled movements here. We're not trying to cheat our way to amazing calves, we're earning it. Next up, we're taking a seat, but don't get too comfy. It's time for seated calf raises. This one's for all my people who love to multitask. You can work those calves while you're catching up on your favorite shows, texting your crush, or even just enjoying a delicious protein shake. Don't judge. Find yourself a bench and take a seat, feet flat on the ground, shoulder width apart. Now place some weights on your knees. We're talking books, dumbbells, maybe even your pet chihuahua if you're feeling adventurous. But seriously, choose a weight that challenges you, but doesn't have you seeing stars. Safety first, people. Alright, now that you're all set, it's time to lift. Push through the balls of your feet, lifting your heels up as high as you can. Imagine you're trying to reach those pedals at the gym that are way too far away. You know what I'm talking about? Hold it at the top, squeeze those calves, and then slowly lower back down. This exercise is like giving your calves a first-class ticket to Cloud 9. They'll be so pumped, so defined, you'll be walking on sunshine all day long. Alright folks, it's time to channel your inner animal because we're moving on to donkey calf raises. Don't worry, you won't need a farm or a pitchfork for this one. Just a strong back and a burning desire for killer calves. This exercise is going to have you turning heads like a celebrity walking the red carpet. People will be whispering, excuse me, are those real? Did they just walk in here with those calves? Now for this one, you'll need a partner. Find a friend, a gym buddy, or even that stranger on the treadmill who keeps staring at you. It's time to make some gains. Have your partner sit on your lower back as you bend over at the hips. Make sure you're holding on to something sturdy for balance. We don't want any accidents happening here. With your toes on a raised platform, lower your heels towards the ground. Feel that stretch? That's what we're looking for. Now push through the balls of your feet, lifting your partner up towards the ceiling. Imagine you're a majestic donkey carrying your precious cargo up a mountain. You're strong, you're powerful, and you're about to have calves that could crush diamonds. Let's switch it up a bit, shall we? It's time to channel your inner child and grab a jump rope. Don't worry, this isn't just for kids on the playground. This is a serious calf workout disguised as a fun activity. We're talking about jumping our way to sculpted, defined calves that will have you strutting like you're on the runway. Now, I know what you're thinking. Kevin, jump rope? Seriously, but trust me on this one, this exercise is a full-body workout that really targets those calves. Plus, it's a great way to get your heart rate up and burn some serious calories. Who needs a treadmill when you have a jump rope, am I right? Start by jumping with both feet together, keeping your jump small and controlled. We're not trying to clear any hurdles here, just get those calves working. As you get more comfortable, you can start to mix things up. Try jumping on one foot, alternating feet, or even doing some fancy crossovers. Alright champions, we're in the final round. Time for the grand finale, the piece de resistance, the exercise that will make your calves unstoppable. Box jumps. This one's not for the faint of heart, but trust me, the results are worth it. We're talking about explosive power, rock-solid calves, and a boost of confidence that will have you feeling like you can conquer the world. Find a sturdy box or platform that's the right height for you. Remember, we're going for challenging but not impossible. No need to break any bones in the pursuit of amazing calves. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, a slight distance from the box. Now here's where the magic happens. Bend those knees, swing your arms back, and explode upwards. Channel your inner superhero and launch yourself onto that box like you're trying to escape a pack of hungry zombies. Trust me, the adrenaline rush alone is worth it. Land softly on both feet, absorbing the impact with your legs. We're going for grace and power here, not a crash landing. Step down carefully and repeat. This exercise is a game changer, folks. It'll sculpt those calves, increase your explosiveness, and have you feeling like the unstoppable force of nature you truly are. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 exercises for perfect calves. I told you we'd get you there, didn't I? Now go out there and make those calves work. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with it, push yourself, and I promise you'll see amazing results. And who knows, maybe you'll even inspire someone else to start their own fitness journey. Now wouldn't that be something? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on what you'd like to see next. We love hearing from you guys, so keep those comments coming. Until next time, stay motivated, stay dedicated, and most importantly, stay hilarious. Thanks for watching Fitness Fusion 360, where we make fitness fun.